In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify store location for the year 2025. Whether you're relocating your base of operations, tapping into a new market, or simply making adjustments to reflect your business's current address, updating your location on Shopify is an important task. So let's walk through this process together step by step to ensure every detail is crystal clear. First, begin by navigating to your Shopify homepage. This is your starting dashboard where you manage all facets of your store. Here, look for the Settings option, which is usually located on the left-hand side in the panel. The Settings menu is your control hub, giving you access to all configurations and options you might need to fine-tune your store. Once you've entered the settings, direct your attention to the Locations section. This area is particularly useful if you manage multiple outlets or warehouses, but in this situation, we're focused on altering your primary store's location to better reflect your current or new operating site. After entering the Locations section, you should see a list of all the locations associated with your Shopify store. Identify and click on the location that is currently active. This is the location you'll be altering with your updated information. Now that you have your active store location open, the next step requires you to access its address settings. Look carefully, and you'll find an option labeled Address. Select this option to bring up the detailed address form that contains all the pertinent details of your current store location. Here, you have the opportunity to edit various fields, including your street address, city, and more. However, the focus for today's task is updating the country or region. Scan through the address form until you find the field for the country or region. Click on this field to reveal a drop-down menu of available countries or regions where you can set your store's physical location. Make your selection carefully to ensure it's aligned with your business's new operations locale. Now, don't forget this crucial step. Once you've made your changes, it's important to save them. At the bottom or top right corner, you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will ensure that all the updates are successfully implemented and your Shopify store reflects this new location seamlessly. And there you have it. These simple steps should help you easily change your Shopify store location to fit your evolving business needs. It's always useful to review all your saved changes as soon as possible to confirm everything is functioning as it should. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your operations as you continue to grow your business. Until next time, happy selling.